Right, we are back. Right, this is where we left off building the roof. So we got the joists on. We got we're doing a warm roof, so we put layer of OSB on, king span, another layer of OSB on. Then we primed it all, put the vapor barrier on, and then we went on from there. But it's a bit wet to start roof again now. So what we're going to do is we're going to do a bit of brickwork, and then we'll climb back up onto the roof. Right, we're back at start again. It's still raining and that other day, so we just literally covered it up. So we're starting again, sort of thing. Now it's all dry. I ended up doing that brickwork down there. Look, these. So looks like we're starting again. We'll get it rolled out and we'll go from there. My knife won't even cut it. Look. My knife won't even cut it. That's how shit. That blade looks brand new here. It's shit. Here you know. Right, we've got that folded back, and then Tim's just putting out glue. We're leaving a run round 100mm round edges for contact adhesive, because you've got to contact adhesive the sides. We haven't cut this side in properly yet, but we're just going to fold this back and work this bit first. Right, and yeah, let's try and get it back out. Yeah. Getting creases out, it's really hard. Once you've got a lantern in, I'll have to try and brush them out. Yeah, that's on the sides, not too bad. It's just this here, this line, and then this bit here needs sorting. Yeah. Right, just applying this contact adhesive to all edges and stuff and on bricks, so we can stick that Just get plenty on. Put it on here and all. And then you just wait till it goes dry. Let it dry, and then you stick it on once it's dry. If you're struggling for what to do with this, if you're looking at this to do a job, then if you go on their website, Rubber for Roofs website, they've actually got a load of videos on it that tells you step by step, which is pretty handy. I mean, I still look at them now, like, they're alright. No, just let that dry now. Seam rolling in there. Just got this little bit to do now, and then we can put the this on, trim on. It's just got a bit of plastic on it, it's black underneath. Right, we came back and the customer's got the lantern on, so he's been doing a bit of a weekend and what have you, and he's got the lantern on and gone round these edges, which are looking pretty good. So yeah, saved us a job. We just need to lift these, lift this glass in, last two pieces of glass up, because they're a bit heavy to just for a customer to do on his own. So yeah, looking pretty good. So that's it. We've got the glass on, and that is pretty much it. So a bit of a short video, this one, so I'm going to record print lantern in and that, but he bet me to it and put it in. So anyway, next week we are going to be putting some steels in. This is the inside of it, look, and this is where the steels are going. So we're going to be ripping this out and putting two steels in, making it as wide as we possibly can. So probably down this about 300 in, and then to the back wall of this one. So yeah, should be an entertaining one. Next one, we'll do a full video on it. We'll get all this one out, and then what we've got left after that, we're going to have to brick up that other side and finish that off. Then we're pretty much done. So thanks for watching. If you haven't checked the other videos out, go have a look, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later, guys.